Welcome back to DIY Makes Sense. My name's Regina. Now I know my master bathroom cannot be the only one in desperate need for some storage and organization. If you're in the same boat as me, this video's for you. I've got 3 tips that you are not going to want to miss. Come on, let's get started. So here's my master bathroom. It's pretty tight in here. I'm gonna put the measurements somewhere on the screen. I've got storage, but honestly, that's just not enough. And to give myself more room, I like to use the walls. Now, all these products in today's videos you can find right at Ikea. And no, I'm not getting paid by anybody to do this video. I wish I was though. These are all products that I absolutely love, and I think you will too. Let's start with the first one. Now these shelves are actually spice racks, and they're not just for the kitchen. They are perfect for the bathroom as well. These are solid wood, so you can sand, stain, or paint them. They're super easy to assemble and hang, but what I like best about them, they help free up all my counter space. You see, I ain't got a whole lot in here. I need all the help I can get. Now for a lot of us, the bathroom is our quiet place. Yeah, man. The bathroom is our quiet place too. Most of us grab our phones, but for those of you that like to read a book or maybe work on a puzzle, this next product is for you. Now this magazine file is convenient. It helps keep all my reading materials close by. It's nice and slim, so it fits in small spaces, all while remaining functional. I've mounted this one on my vanity, but if your bathroom looks something like this, mount and keep it nice and tucked away right here. Now this next product is hands down my favorite, and it's for the shower. If you're tired of your shower looking like this product is for you. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, if you got any of these right here, you could throw all of them away. This is durable, it'll last, and it'll give your shower a nice clean finish. Now I've been looking for a good shower caddy for a long time. One that's gonna hold on my products and stay put. And thankfully, after giving this one a try, my search is over. And this ain't your regular suction cup right here. When you press it in to attach it, you can hear air escaping. That's telling you, hey, I got a good grip to this wall. I'm not going nowhere. You can trust me. And you better believe I done put this thing to the test. When I have a bunch of products in here and they all full during the night, I just know I'm gonna hear all of them fall to the floor. But I've had this caddy for over a year, and thankfully, that's never happened. All these items could fit in almost any tiny bathroom to help make it less cramped and feel bigger. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.